Hey guys, so one of the first things we're going to be doing with the Forester is we're going to be fixing what's known as the window gusset. It's this dude right here. There's a big rubber plastic piece, and as you can see, it's kind of torn, so there's a ton of wind noise on the freeway. So enough babbling, let's get to it. There we go. There's no more wind noise in here, which is great. Ever since I've owned this car, it's just been wind noise like crazy on the freeway. I've had to turn the sound up on the radio really loud so I can even hear anything, let alone hear myself. So yeah, I hope that was easy and simple for you guys to watch through. It should be a pretty easy install. It only took me about an hour, maybe an hour and a half with filming and everything, but it should take you a shorter amount of time. So thanks for watching. We're just one step closer in bringing back the authenticity of this Forester, reviving it from the mistakes that the previous owner made, But yeah, thanks again for watching, and tune in for the next video if you guys want to see me continue to revive this Subaru. So thanks again. See you in the next video.